Well, we've discovered a new sport here in Rome, Wok Racing, which is basically consists of you sit inside a giant wok and luge down an icy hill and try not to kill yourself, and the team that does it the fastest wins.
We're sure that you have to be drunk, though, to play it.
Yeah, they're all German, so they have to be drunk.
Okay.
This is a said racer and said wok.
We have commentary by Alexis.
She's recording too.
Because nobody's going to believe this shit.
I'm going to pause.
He's talking too much.
Up.
Wait. Here we go.
Protective gear.
Did he just say Nazi shit?
Oh no, they're German. Look at that game face. He's ready to go.
That level of concentration.
For sliding down the luge.
Actually, I thought it was the oh shit face.
There he goes.
Yes, those are woks. Eine halbe Hundertstel Vorsprung, Entschuldigung, 500stel Vorsprung. Jetzt in der HS-Kurve, seine Lage sieht ganz gut aus.
It takes a lot of skills, you can see, to remain on a walk, going down a luge. Hot.
Making your own commentary is the best.
Should have shot at a strudel. British on a Heineken. Oh shit.
Oh my gosh, he hit the wall. No way, he's still going.
Look at that.
And fireworks nonetheless. Ooh, 360. Ooh.